Good. Perfect. Now, facing that direction. Now, what I want you to do, Freddie, is you're going to arch your back like you're sticking your belly out.
Okay.
Go ahead and try that. There you go. Good. Perfect. Okay, good.
All right.
Now, go ahead and sit up. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some pressure right here, okay?
Good.
Good. And now, lie down. Actually, let's do this seated. Come on over here. I'll have you sit in the chair. So let's just do a quick test. Turn to the left. I'm sorry, turn to the right as far as you can, just with your neck. Yeah, I'm going to hold your shoulders so you don't cheat. Does that cause any pain?
Yeah.
Where do you feel it? Right here.
Yeah.
And then turn to this side.
The same place.
Same exact place. Okay. Is this as far as you can go this way? Turn to the left as far as you can. Is that as far as you can go?
I think, but yes.
It hurts.
Yeah.
Turn to this side as far as you can. Does that cause pain?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let me have you look straight ahead. Okay. So just let the head just relax. Okay, one more. Just let your head just kind of relax into my hands. There we go. Good?
Yep.
Okay. Now let's just see if there's any difference today. So turn as far to that way as you can.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit.
It's a little better.
Yeah.
Good. Less pain, and then turn this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Your range of motion is not perfect. So again, like we were talking, when the bones are in bad alignment, it's hard to turn.